My name is Rishabh, and I was born and brought up in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. We were only trading the small items of the industry, the smallest item, like nose pins, baby studs. कैसे एक jewelry का piece बनता है, we had no idea. We had zero experience in manufacturing. After doing the diamond course, we started manufacturing the studs and the nose pins in diamonds also, which gave us a terrific response. And after JK, I'm now producing about 125 designs per month. So which was 20, from 22 we became to 125. So a 20-year-old guy who was 20-year-old experienced guy in the market who has been doing it every day. And I could do it after a course of 3 months, let's say. So that was that kind of exposure I got from there. First show of IIJS Premiere, I think it was day 2 or day 3. I saw somebody entering into my stall with 7 or 8 people behind him. And everybody around our neighbor stalls, neighbor companies which were there, they all came in front of our stall and started looking at us. What are you guys doing? I was like, what happened? He gave me the first export order of my life, and the biggest order of my life he gave to me.